Did you know many people are having trouble with their Samsung washer not starting despite the drain pump working? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Close lid. Ensure the washer lid is completely closed, as the machine won't operate if it's not properly sealed. Step 2. Check power. Verify that the washer is plugged in and a circuit breaker is not tripped. Reset the breaker if needed. Step 3. Open faucets. Open the water supply faucets fully. Your washer needs a continuous water flow to initiate a wash cycle. Step 4. Unlock child lock. Deactivate the child lock by pressing Temp and spin buttons together for 3 seconds if it's enabled. Step 5. Start washer. Press the Start/Pause button to start the wash cycle. If unresponsive, double-check the previous steps. By following these steps, your Samsung washing machine should start washing without issues. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.